So you're a domestic investor and you're looking into cryptocurrency mining. You might think that perhaps you've missed the boat, but that's categorically not true. With hundreds of new blockchain products and coins coming out all the time, there's never been a better space to enter, there's never been a better time to enter, and ultimately with our help as a business, guiding and navigating you through the process, you don't need to be a crypto expert to be able to take advantage of this as the market continues to move. With inflation outpacing interest, you realize that you're not getting any money on your bank account, and ultimately you need to do something with that money to potentially earn some income. Passive income is of course very attractive, and here at Easy Crypto, that's really what we specialize in. You can effectively buy a very posh computer, you can plug it in, turn it on, and earn a nice passive income and just crack on with your day-to-day without too much of a trouble. Please don't think that you need to be desperately technical to be able to operate or run this equipment. We have a full support team here to be able to help you with any issues that you get, and ongoing customer support is included with all of our purchases. You do not need to be a tech geek or a genius to be able to do this. In fact, the average age of our clients is in the late 50s, so this isn't some young man's tech wizardry game where you need to be able to do lots of computer coding or anything too serious. This is really designed for people that have extra cash that they're looking to invest. Be happy to take a slightly medium-term approach with their money. We expect here as a business a 2 to 5 year return. It's just something that sits there doing its thing in a nice manner, and we want to be able to help you understand this space well enough to be able to make an informed choice, to be able to get involved and take the advantages that come with powering the entire blockchain. Even as an individual that can't take any advantages of VAT or any kind of business tax benefits, as a standard individual in the UK, one of our rigs last year made over £7,000 in revenue, which translated to roughly around a 49% return after you'd removed your electric cost. So if this is something that may be interesting to you, have a look around the website, download the PDF for some more information, give us a call, come and see us. We'd love to take you through in a bit more detail in person, and hopefully you can find the answers that you're looking for as we continue to work with you over the future.